excited to have you here. If you're new, I'm Lauren and it's a pleasure to have you. Please, we're gonna check out another video, and this one is from Nightwish. Oh my god, Élan. Okay, official video. She's great. Like Nightwish. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. Let's dive in. Oh my god, is that a flute or a piano? I got goosebumps all over me right now. Cause she be this sweet and smooth and calm and clear. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Jeez, this is spectacular. Spectacular? Wow, I believe it is the best version of her I've ever come across. Like, seeing her on the side, I've always so used to the, you know, rock and roll kind of Nightwish, but this one is totally, oh my god. Creatures yet unseen, finally your number came up. Free fall awaits the grave. Come, taste the wine, raise the blind. We will guide you from the light, riding knots to the end of time. Come, surf the clouds, raise the dark. It feeds from the runs and down. Meet me where the cliff meets the sea. Oh my god, this is beautiful. No way. This is amazing. To the riddle before your eyes, isn't that leaves and fleeting skies, returning swans and sedulous mice, writings on the garden's book, in the middle of another nook, building a sandcastle close to the shore, a house Wow, guys, there was, what can I say? She left me speechless, down and lost in a song. Wow, there was a whole lot of emotions, as a whole lot of emotions went down the drain. It's just inexplainable the way she could communicate right through my soul, a rest of spirit, and all in the power of a song. I've never seen her this calm, and just seen her so feminine, so sweet, so smooth, and so clear. Just arrested every part of me, and that is really amazing. She is amazing, guys. She's really great. Do let me know what you think about this video down in the comments section, and also don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Oh, I definitely gotta go back to this song all over again. It's just too good. Wow. I'll see you again in the next video. Alright, girl. Bye.